more carrots. Don't tear it. More.
So hello guys, सभी का स्वागत है. This is Shiv Sai. Welcome back to our channel. So guys, in previous videos, you can see that we have drawn the Doraemon and Shinchan. So in those videos, we have used the two files. One is the module file and another is the normal file which we want to execute for drawing the Doraemon and Shinchan. So I published the Doraemon and Shinchan module in the PyP, and from now you can directly install like pip install as underscore Doraemon and as underscore Shinchan. Okay, I will tell you a sample code by using a sample code. So in this video we are going to see how to install Doraemon module and Shinchan module without using any extra files. So guys, first of all, you have to go to the pyp.org. So I am giving the link in the description, so you can directly click on it. So this is the module for the Shinchan itself. So I will try to install this module now. So guys, directly copy paste the directly pip install as-Shinchan. You can directly install the Shinchan module here itself. So actually I am already having it in my system, so it is saying that requirement already satisfied. So to ensure that the module is installed or not, go to the Python interpreter and type import as underscore Shinchan. So you can see like this. So by this you can confirm that the module has been installed in your machine. So guys, you don't need to go to the website here. You can directly type pip install as-Shinchan in the command prompt. Directly it will come. So like this, I will show you again once. So directly you can type pip install as-Shinchan, right? Shinchan. So actually it is already having in my system, so it is saying that again requirement already satisfied. You don't need to go to any website. You can directly type in your command prompt. Ensure that pip is installed in your machine, and you have to type pip install as-Shinchan in your command prompt. So as of now, we have verified that Shinchan module is installed, right? So let me do one thing. Let's try to create some file and let's import the module and let's try some functions. Let's see how the module works actually. So guys, you can also visit this. I will give this link in the description, and also pip install this pip install command also I will give in the description. Check out, and I will do one thing. I will take one file and I will save. So guys, first of all I will create some files. So let's take example1.py. So here I am importing the module which I was installed in my system, and then I'm using the functions which are present in that module: short, legs, shirt, head, hands, mouth, eyebrows. These are actually present in the previous video also, you can check. So actually in previous video what I have done is that we have took total we have taken the two files, shinchan.py and ssc.py file. So we have imported the shinchan.py file to the ssc.py file, and then we access the functions which are in shinchan.py. So this is very complicated, and as a normal person you are not able to do these things, and you don't want these things. So I minimized this to some module. You can directly install from the pip and you can directly perform the operations here itself. So first of all, let's see, let's execute this one. So I will try to execute this. So you can see that it is drawing the Shinchan, right? So next, as of now we have done Shinchan. So as I said, I published the two modules. One is Doraemon.py and another one is Shinchan.py. So actually I think you're not able to see the screen, I think so. Okay, give me a minute. So guys, this was done. Okay, I will try to compile once again. So I will run the program here itself. So you can see that it is directly drawing the Shinchan, right? So okay, so in this you can see that directly I just imported the module which was installed from the pip, and then I used the functions to draw it. So directly I draw it. So you can see that it is almost all it was done. So as of now we have seen the Shinchan module, right? So next let's see the Doraemon module. So how is it going to work and how to install those Doraemon module. So let's see. I think it was completed. Okay, no. Okay, let me wait until it's complete. So it is completed, right? So as we have seen Shinchan, right? So I will show you Doraemon. So Doraemon spelling is Doraemon. Please ensure that you have spell it, or that you have copied correct, or you have typed the correct spelling. So this is the pip install as Doraemon.py. You need to install. So okay, I will go to the command prompt once. So you can see that here the command prompt. So I'm installing the Doraemon module by using the pip. You don't need to write any extra code. I will show you how it works. So actually in my machine it is already there, so it is showing that requirement already satisfied. So let us verify. Import as Doraemon. Okay, Doraemon. Okay, something okay. We need to give underscore here itself. Don't forget to give underscore. As it comes to Shinchan also, you have to give as underscore Shinchan, not hyphen Shinchan. While you are installing, you need to give the hyphen, and while you are importing the module, you need to use underscore. Okay, so as we have installed the Doraemon module, and we verified that it is working. So let's see some sample code on this module. So guys, in previous videos we can see that we have used the two files to draw the Doraemon.py. So Doraemon. So to minimize this, I mean, it is very complex to take two files, and it should be in one folder, and it should be import, I mean, you should import this Doraemon.py file to the main file Dora.py. Then you have to access it. Then you have done the compilation of Dora.py. So here we need to use two files, right? So it is very, sometimes, to a non-programmer, or a person who has no knowledge about this modules, so it will be complex for them, right? So as of now we have installed the Doraemon module. So let's try by writing a single file. So I will name it as ext.py. So now, so you can see that in this website, okay, this link and this command also I will give in the description. So here is a sample program. So I will execute this. So okay, yes, yeah. So I will execute this, whether it is working or not. Let's see. So you can see that it is drawing the Doraemon. Just we didn't write extra code. I mean, we didn't have any extra files. So just we have installed the module, and then we access it by using the import statement, and then we wrote the functions according to the them and then we executed it, it is working, right? So I think okay, sorry, now you can see the drawn diagram, right? So Doraemon, so I will show you once again. So here is the, just we minimize the code to the user who are taking the code from us. So in previous videos, in previous tutorials in Shinchan and Doraemon, we have took two files. One is a backend module and one is a normal file. And for Doraemon also we took same like that. So from now directly we can install that module into your system and we don't need to write extra code for it. So you can directly write single file and with the functions here itself. You can also find the functions and everything yeah, in this website. I will give the link in the description for Shinchan and also for Doraemon. Okay, so Shinchan and Doraemon you can find it. Guys, please ensure that in your system total module is installed in your system. If not installed in your system, try to install by using the pip install turtle in the command line. Actually what I have done is just I published the Doraemon and Shinchan modules to the 5p so that you can install by using the pip install as-Doraemon or as-Shinchan to install these two modules, and you can directly access the functions by giving the import as Doraemon, sorry, as underscore Doraemon as, and then you can access the function here for the Doraemon, and you can it also same works for the Shinchan module also. Just you need to install these modules and then create some file with the name anything you want, and it should be .py, and you copy this code and paste in that file and run the code. You can directly get it for two modules, for Shinchan and also Doraemon. So next let's see the difference between the previous videos and this videos. So first of all, in previous videos we have took two files, dora.py and doraemon.py. So we need to have two files. We write the dora.py file by our own and I gave the doraemon.py file as a module to you. So it will be some difficult to for no knowledge person. So that's the reason I published the modules. You can directly install from the pip and you can directly access from the by writing import as_Shinchan or as_Doraemon, and you can directly assign to some variable and you can directly access the functions and you can directly run the code. So guys, I think it was done. If you are getting any errors or if you are getting any doubts while installing the modules as_Shinchan or as_Doraemon, you can contact me via Instagram or else you can also comment in the comment section. I will be replying you as soon as possible in social media and in the comment section, and I'm also giving the links in the description, and try this course. If you don't get the code, you can comment in the comment section. Please try to copy paste the code from the browser itself. You can directly copy paste from browser like this. You can directly copy paste this sample code and save in one file and then run the file. You will get it easily. Suppose if you are not getting it after doing all this, you can directly communicate with me and I will tell you how to do it, and ensure that you should have the turtle module in your machine. Okay guys, so guys, hope you like the video. I think it was done for this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share the video link with your friends, and also tell your friends to install this Shinchan module and Doraemon module, and tell them to try this code. So learning together is best, right? So if you are getting any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. So guys, मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.